I put my blood and guts in every word that's spoken. My last name ain't Tate, but my words are golden. The tires and the curb are smoking. Is that herb you smoking? Nah, man, I'm high on life. Tell Jim Jeffries he could punch me as many times as he likes. I'm on top of the world, having the time of my life. I'm knocking on 25, so the timing feels right. Taking flight with the fireflies, showing life in the night. So what I have in common with a comet falling right out the sky? I'm about to crash and burn my Savage Garden ripe as I like. What I have in common with Lonnie Lynch is I like to just write. He freestyling this life, taking all 5 of the mics. What we both used to love her with smiles just as bright as a kid's smile could be at that time in our lives. Well, la-dee-dee-da, look whose greatness is finally waking up. I probably won't get signed though I'm not fake enough. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. My mind is a private jet, my heart is a private island. Vacation resort in all life at its finest. The best moments of the whining and dining without the whining and crying. But sometimes you gotta fight to survive it. Like it or not, at times lightness or strike a light in the fire. The waves hit you like a sight from Poseidon that damn near wipe out the island. You find your foot in the sunlight's back to shining, and the fish flip out the water and say, why aren't you smiling? Bad timing? Nope, it's just the life that lies in these islands. Just cries in these sirens, but like Big L, I size them up nicely, and then I smile and you like me. Cause my style is inviting, enticing. I really am a nice guy once you find me. A giant defiant against liars, connivers, and biters. A lover, not a fighter. Precisely at the time that I write this, I am divided in silence, knowing God has already written out my life in its entirety. Thank you guys, thank you. My heart is a private island, my mind is a private jet. Such a beautiful day in my daydream, time to rest. Compliments to the chef, they diss airline food, but with my steak, veggies, and beans. Compare my mood to a stoner higher than LeBron's hairline moves. No turbulence or none of that, a rare type jewel. Leave the movie on while I fall asleep and dream it. The stewardess rests her head on my shoulder for the evening. The music plays above us as I listen to her singing. Such a beautiful life, sweet as a Reese's or as Reese's. Was it ever really supposed to be like this? I don't believe it, but being where I'm at now, I don't listen to my demons. She nods in agreement, we're toasting to connected pieces. We're also spiraling out of the sky, but nobody's screaming. We're crashing like it's a pattern, but not long after we splash on the fucking canvas, and that's it. Classic. Thank you.